Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 8 of Whole, our 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditations, self-care techniques, and more. So today is a mindful breathing day, and we are going to learn about the breathing technique called lion's breath, or as it's known in Sanskrit, Simhasana, or Sima pranayama. So what you'll need for this practice is just a comfortable seat. You can use whatever you need to enhance that seat, a pillow, a blanket, a block. So grab whatever you need and we will get started. Let's talk about lion's breath for a moment. So the lion's breath is a pranayama technique that is used to relieve stress and tension. It's also energizing. It builds internal heat and it helps to stretch and stimulate the muscles in the face, which is why we say that it relieves tension. And the reason we call it lion's breath is because of the face that we make when we are practicing this technique. So of course we're looking like a lion that is roaring. That's the purpose of this breath. And I just love this breath because it's going to be one of two things that are going to happen when we practice lion's breath. Either you're going to look at me confused or you're going to laugh. And let's face it, if you're laughing, you're also reducing stress. So let's get into how we can practice lion's breath. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat on your mat. Sit tall, let your hands rest on your knees or your thighs, whichever feels better for you in this moment. Reach your shoulders up towards your ears and bring them down and back just to open the chest. Let's start with 3 regular breaths here, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And so let's get into the lion's breath. So lion's breath is just regular inhale through the nose. On the exhale, you're going to stick your tongue out towards your chin, so down towards the floor. And you're going to open your mouth real wide and you're going to exhale really loud, really audibly. And that's our lion's breath. So you're going to feel crazy doing it, but it's going to feel so good. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth, stick your tongue out, and exhale. Now I realize I look crazy on camera, but let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Now I want to make sure that you're doing this at home and you're not just looking at me and laughing. So just imagine that I am staring right at you, making sure that you're doing this. So let's do that again. We're going to do a regular breath and then a lion's breath, and then a regular breath and then a lion's breath. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. Regular. Calm breath. Lion's breath. Inhale. Exhale. Regular breath. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Calming breath. Again, inhale. Exhale, lion's breath. Good job, good job. Now we're going to add some movement with that. So we're going to inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, bending at the elbows. So your elbows are in the shape, or your arms are in the shape of a field goal post. And that's what we're going for. So inhale, reach your arms up. On the exhale, lion's breath. Goal post arms. Exhale. And then inhale. Exhale. You hear that growl in my voice? That's what I want you to do as well. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring your arms down to your knees. And we'll end here with our 3 regular breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. On the second round, we'll do lion's breath, and the last breath, a regular breath. So let's inhale. Regular exhale. Lion's breath, inhale. Lion's breath, exhale. Last regular breath, inhale. And exhale. And that is it for day 8. And now I want to hear from you. How did you experience this breathing technique? Did you find it energizing? Did you find it funny like I do? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time to reflect on your breathing technique today, whether you sit and think about it for a few moments or whether you choose to write it down. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true. But most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 9 of our 21-day yoga journey.